Okay guys, in the previous video we have done the configurations of additional storage in Media Navigator X. So in this video we will be showing you how to configure your PWS-100TD1 in order to work for the newly created storage. Let's try without doing anything. Let's try to register this one into the Media Navigator X. Let's see what would be the effect. Okay, so as you can see, we have an error here. So checking the workflow, what you will have here is the workflow terminated with an error. Cannot transfer due to insufficient access privileges. Okay, so now let's do something about it in order for us to successfully register your TD1 to the Navigator X. Okay, the very first thing that you have to do is to update the database of the TD1. I have this script batch file in here, so just run edit and update this IP address into the proper IP address of the newly created storage. So we have FM, and the IP address of FM is 172.0.40.6, and the share name is from TDS. From TDS is hard coded in Media Navigator X, so we cannot change anything about it. So we will be utilizing from TDS share name. So this is the IP address. This is the only one that you have to change. No need to change this from TDS. Save this one. Save. Control S. File and save. Then close it. Copy this one. Copy into the desktop of your PWS-100TD1. Double click to execute and update the database. Okay. So now the database is already updated. Okay, the next thing that we have to do is to create from TDS share name using the same master shared folder. This is the shared folder from File Manager. So we'll create from TDS. So let's go ahead. Let's go to the FM, remote desktop, and before doing anything, go to Computer Management, Local Users and Group Users, add a new user. Username is PDS. This is the one that launched the application. So password is the same password of the TDS application or the TDS user. Password never expire, create, then afterwards right click, properties, member of, make it member of administrator. Okay, yes. Oh, check my, it should be administrators. Okay, apply, that's it. Okay, now that the TDS user has been configured in the file manager, the new storage server. So let's go to the master shared folder, go to sharing, advanced sharing. As you can see, we are sharing this as master only. So we will add from TDS. So we will share this one as master and from TDS. See? Okay, so from TDS, go to permissions. Everyone must be okay. Then we have to add TDS. The location should be the local computer. So it must be the local server itself. So TDS, check names, yes. So that's it, and that's it. Okay, now that this is already configured, then we have to check. Now that we have configured the share name, let's try checking FM. So now we have from TDS and master. So what we have on the master should reflect on the same from TDS, because this is just referring to the same folder. It's just different share name. Okay. So now let's do try to register. So just auto refresh, register, online, yes. Okay. Let's see if something, yes, there is already one file over here. Mhm. And let's check also Media Navigator X. Yes, there is already one clip which is already being registered into the Media Navigator X. So it must be working. Yes. Okay. Now it's okay. It's registered. So here, once you register this one, then it must be okay. Now there is another file in here, and from Media Navigator X, okay, let's see. This is already finished. Yeah, there is already the one more clip which is being registered. So it will go on the asset manager. We can see that it is already registered here. Yes, this is the one. And also this one, which is now being registered. That's it. The proxy file is being generated. That's why you cannot play it. So once the proxy file is done, then you can start playing with this. Okay, guys, that's it. This is how you will configure your PWS-100TD1 to work with your new storage. And right now, the registration from TDS1 to Media Navigator X is working complete. Okay? Okay, guys, thank you and God bless.